Many people are frightened of drones. They're frightened of them looking into their windows. They're frightened of them staring down on their yards. You don't know what they could see. But imagine what it must be to be a drone. To be frightened of somebody shooting at you, of people attacking you, of who knows what. Politicians are screaming about you. And we thought about it. And here you have a drone's dream, based on our little drone, and where it's been, and where it wants to go. And here you see our drone dreaming. I hope you enjoy it. Our drone Oddy, as he flies above the water and shows you what he's seeing and where he wants to be as he goes home.
Wake up and don't know where I am. Another city I'll be leaving soon. But in between the planes and cars are strangers who became a part of all the homes I'm building on the move. We're all told that life's a game of compromise, and in many ways I suppose it's true. But I just can't quite swallow bitter pills or safer roads now that I have walked the other route.
As our drone approaches home, you can see the waves below. You can see it's been a long journey, but Oddy is finally coming in to home. And as all of us look at it, home's a place you long for. Where all of this was filmed were places that you can visit. You can easily visit. They're fully accessible, as Oddy only goes to places that are fully accessible. And they're all parks that are open to you. And we thank those at Sandy Point Park for their hospitality and allowing us to fly from there in the local parks in New York that allow drones to fly. Drones don't have to be scary. All of the filming here was done in compliance with FAA Part 107 and local, state, and local laws. So we hope you enjoyed A Drone's Dream. If you did enjoy it, subscribe to this channel, Ultimate Park Guide, and ring the bell. And join us for other visits to other parks around the country, around the world, and visit them. Get out. Enjoy yourself. I'm Jack Rose, host of Ultimate Park Guide.